Hiring a rug doctor couldn't be easier to give your carpets a lovely clean, to make them look and smell new again. The instructions are very easy. It's printed on the front of the machine, and you will also send cleaning solution for your carpet. All you need to do is add 250 millilitres. You pour that into the front of your rug doctor, and then you need to add lots of hot water. Again, you just keep filling until it reaches halfway there on that mesh. Then all you need to do is put the tub back in and line up that top part, and your rug doctor is ready to go. As you can see, it's a simple on-off switch. And then at the top of the handle, there's a red button which you press, which releases the shampoo clean solution onto your carpet. You plug it in and it's ready to go. Right, so we've just cleaned our lounge carpet, which is looking lovely and clean. And now I'm going to show you just how much dirt it's lifted. You can tell by the colour of that water. Ugh. And this carpet, I think we've had, what, 2 years? Year and a half, 2 years? And it's never been cleaned in all that time. So, yeah, that's like 2 years worth of dirt. I was sent a rug doctor to hire for the purpose of a review.